Hey, what's up? In this video, I want to introduce you to a cool WordPress plugin that I got introduced to a couple of weeks ago at a mastermind I was at. I've been in this space for a long time. Never heard of this plugin. It's got a pretty cool name. I'm surprised I haven't come across the domain before. It's just called Affiliate Booster. Really cool plugin. Especially if you're doing affiliate marketing through SEO. And here's how it works. So you can just go to the site and click the link somewhere on this page of this video, check it out. And basically it just has these different Gutenberg templated blocks, and they've got demos for each one of them. So let's see, if you click on each of these, you can see a demo. I don't think all of, okay, yeah, I guess you can't view them all, but you've got all the different blocks and you can see a demo of each one of them, which is really cool. So we'll look at those. So, if you're doing any kind of like physical products, you can do these. These just show you some of the other little block elements. Coupons, if you're doing like comparison sites, and so yeah, you can check those out. It's got a free option, but if you decide to go with the paid option, which they're incredibly affordable, if you scroll down here, you can see $39 a year per site, but I mean just for like $10 more per year. Like this isn't even monthly, but per year. 25 sites. So if you've got a whole portfolio of niche affiliate websites, like stupidly affordable. What's that, like $1 something per year or something per site, which is crazy. $69 a year for 50 sites. And so I just want to introduce you to the plugin and then give you an idea for how I would use it. So I teach a course called SEO Affiliate Domination. It's kind of, SEO is SEO. There's lots of different ways to do it. I suppose you could say it's gray hat-ish or black hat, whatever. But you're going to be introduced in this course to some strategies and methods that you're not going to find anywhere on YouTube for free, and you're not going to find it in any other course that you buy. Any of the popular affiliate courses out there, or the affiliate SEO courses, you're just not going to find these strategies and philosophies and ways of thinking. So I'm going to introduce you just to how I would use this plugin, and kind of why I was interested in it as soon as I discovered it. So I started SEOAD. The initial approach was mass page sites, and the whole philosophy behind it wasn't so much to build lots of, like, to spam the internet with lots of pages. It was more so using the power of these mass page builders to create lots of pages about all the different long tail keywords related to a product or service or brand. And one of the tools that you can kind of once you do that, I'll introduce you to that solution as well. So over the years, that has changed. The tools that are available to do that. This one, Page Generator Pro, has kind of survived and kind of come out on top of all the other solutions that have come and gone over the years. So this one's been around for many years and it's still around. So I'm connecting all these dots for you. You can use a tool like Page Generator Pro. It's very powerful. It's got a lot of features. You don't have to use all of them, but just using a handful of the features, you can use it, to build out affiliate sites. You can do local lead gen, rank and rent, whatever, programmatic SEO, whatever you want to do. You can do with WP or WP Zinc's Page Generator Pro. So that's what you can use to produce the pages in mass. then you can do you can install a plug. Well, it's not. I think there's a plugin, but you can install this script from the Sneaky Redirect software in the header of your site, and the Google is going to index the pages that are built with Page Generator Pro. Sneaky Redirect is going to redirect all those pages, and they can be redirected to a let's say if you use this Page Generator Pro to use it to build lots of posts, you can then redirect all those posts to a single page, and then the page can be using one of these generate blocks from Affiliate Booster, and basically think of it kind of like a full page overlay for a product or service that you're promoting as an affiliate. So basically you use all these tools in combination with one another. Page Generator Pro to kind of for the shotgun approach to create all the pages, and then Sneaky Redirect is it just redirects visitors, but Google doesn't get redirected, if that makes any sense. And so the Page Generator Pro is just kind of to have this shotgun approach to put all these posts out there to siphon in the traffic, and then once the visitor, the human, visits these websites that are indexed in Google and clicks them, they will be shown a page that looks like this or whatever other block you select. And if let's just say you're building a mass page site around all the long tail keywords related to a hosting site, then you could just do a simple overlay that has like a comparison, or just reinforces why they should invest in that particular hosting company with a link to get a coupon code or something like that. So I hope that all makes sense. You can layer all these tools together to make it very simple, and like the only thing you're missing now would be like a keyword list to go after whatever brand or product or service that you're wanting to create your site around to promote, to have your hosting, install WordPress, invest in Page Generator Pro to create the content, invest in Sneaky Redirect software. It's just a simple, I think there may be a WordPress plugin you can download, but it's super affordable, and I like how you can just create a simple, I use this encrypted redirect, and it just gives you plug in this website you want it to forward to, you click like encrypt redirect, and it gives you this code. You copy and paste that into the header section of your website, which if you don't know how to do that, there are WordPress header plugins to where you can easily insert that into the header of your website, and then it'll redirect all the pages, and then you can redirect it to your entire site to a page that has one of these custom like Affiliate Booster blocks on it. And I think you can like customize those, but it has all these pre-made templates that you can start with. So really cool plugin, Affiliate Booster, and then in combination, when you combine it with these other two, that's kind of a whole formula, a recipe there for making money online. So check them out. I'll give you links to all of the Affiliate Booster, Sneaky Redirect, and Page Generator Pro. And if you decide to pick them all up through my affiliate link, which they're ridiculously affordable for this one, you can start with the you can just start with the one site, unless you already have a portfolio of sites. It's gonna make your money back pretty quick if you already have a portfolio of sites that are already getting traffic. Even it would make sense to just get like the premium, and then the Sneaky Redirect software is a one-time price, which is ridiculously low. And then for the Page Generator Pro, what I would recommend is just this lifetime, because you got single site, which is that per year, unlimited, which sounds good, but it's $99 per year. I purchased the lifetime. It just makes sense. $199 once, or I guess if you're doing agency stuff, you have like lots of clients or whatever, then maybe consider this one. But for most just affiliate marketers, I would just get the lifetime. So if you pick all these up through my referral links around this page or somewhere around this video, reach out to me and I will hook you up with my SEO affiliate domination course. So that'll give you like a complimentary resource that goes along with this strategy or whatever these tools I just introduced you to, so you can understand my approach and my philosophy to SEO and affiliate marketing and making money online. I've got tons of success stories. You know, I sell this course for over $1,000, and I've been doing and teaching this method since 2017. So this is something that's worked very well and been working now for a long time. And you know, our students have made millions of dollars. Some of our top students are making 6 figures per year, so pretty wild. But anyway, just wanted to shoot this video to mostly introduce you to this affiliate booster plugin, since that's fairly new to me. But if you combine it with sneaky redirect software and WP Zinc, then that's kind of a whole recipe that you can connect together, and now you can go out there and make money. So hope you got some value out of this video, and I will see you in the next one.